everyone. Today we are going to install Google Tag Manager in our new website. So basically Tag Manager helps us to manage different analytics and advertisement tags, and it's a one stop solution. So basically what happens, Tag Manager act as a bridge in between our different analytics and our website. So the basic functionality of Tag Manager is to reduce the page loading time, and moreover to reduce the work we need to done on our website to add different tags for every analytic and every advertising platform like Facebook Pixel, Google Ads, or Google Analytics. So over here we got a new Tag Manager account. So we're going to create an account, and we're gonna put our company name over here, Test Shop, and select the country. We don't want to share our data with Google or anything. We need to give a container name, so we give our website name as a container name. So that's all right, that's our container name. So we are using this for web platform. We are not using iOS, Android, or any other platform. So we're gonna create a new container, accept the conditions. There we are. It's doing its work on the back end. So our new account and new container is created. So here it shows us to put this code in our head tag and this code in our body tag on our website. So we're going to copy this code, go to our website, insert header and footer. So here we already have our analytic code. We're going to remove this code actually, because we're going to use this code in our tag manager. So we don't need any analytic, any AdWords code or anything in our website. Just a tag manager code is enough for getting data from our website. So this is the head tag, and we're going to copy the body tag as well, and we're going to put it under the script in body tag, and we're going to save this one. So everything is done from our website, and over here we click OK. So now we need to create new tags. So we go to add new tag, and we're going to create a new configuration for the tag. And first we're going to create a G4 configuration for Google Analytics. So we're going to create one Google Analytics tag, and over here we need our measurement ID, which we can get over here as well. That is the one we need, or otherwise it should be displayed over the top as well, under our admin section. So we're going to put it measurement ID over here, and we're going to put the trigger over here. So all page view is the trigger. So whenever someone load our website, it's gonna send data to Google Analytics on the back through the tag manager. So we give name GA4 tag, GA4 tag, all page view. So this is done for our Google Analytics code, and once it's done, we need to publish this all the changes. Once we have created our Google Analytics tag, we are going to submit the changes, and it's going to ask us to put a version description. So we can give it a name first edit, just for version name, and we can put any description, or we'll put it empty as well, and click publish. It's going to publish all our code over here. And now we go to the analytics and we go to the home page. So it's going to get the trigger from tag manager So Tag Manager is live now. So if we go to our website, it should trigger the analytic through the Tag Manager. So it's showing one user online, and to check that, we are going to use the Chrome extension for Tag Manager, and we click on the Tag Assistance, and we're going to enable that. And once it trigger any tag, it's going to show over here. So now it's showing two tag triggered over here. So Tag Manager and Google Analytics tags are triggered. And over here we can see one user online on our website as well on the Google Analytics page. So this is done for the Google Analytics. Same we're going to do for the Facebook Pixel. To do that, we're going to our event manager, and I have recently created a new event. We're going to continue Facebook Pixel setup, and we're going to just install the Metapixel. We don't need the conversion API for this tutorial. So go to connect, and we click on connect install code manually. Going to copy this code, and we're going to continue. Go to the Tag Manager again, workspace. Under the workspace tag, we're going to add a new tag, create a new tag. So we're going to the custom HTML tag, and we're going to put our Facebook code over here, pixel code, and we again attach a trigger that is going to be all page. So whenever someone load any page, is going to trigger our Facebook pixel. So we give a name, all page. So here we go, we're going to save this one. Just again submit. We'll leave this for now. Click on publish. We're going to skip, and it's going to publish this container again, and we got the two tags over here. So now we can check that if our Facebook pixel is working properly or not. We go to our website front end, and once we refresh over here, it's going to trigger our Facebook pixel extension in our Chrome, and it shows the name of our pixel, and it shows like it's triggered during the page view. And we can also verify this from Facebook pixel end. We go to the Facebook pixel, and we go to our pixel, and if we refresh this one, it's going to show our current activity, and the time is showing me is on today 10:09 that's PM, and that's the time last time we refreshed this page. If we refresh it again, it's going to send the data to our pixel, and it should be reflected over here. There we go, we got another hit from our website, and this is enough to show that like our pixel is working perfect through the extension and through the backend. So basically we have installed the Facebook pixel, we have installed the Google Analytics code in the Google Tag Manager, and Google Tag Manager is linked to our website. So our website is directly connected with the Tag Manager, which is further sending data to different platforms like Analytics and Event Manager in Facebook Pixels. So this is done for this tutorial. In next video we will discuss how to create custom events, like when someone add to cart any item, or when someone click on purchase, or when someone click to buy some item. So it's going to send the data to our analytics and our Facebook pixel.